This is how you answer example 1.13. Okay, so let's take a look at B there, separate into two half reactions. So this is two half reaction, which is oxidation and reduction. Okay, and C. Okay, C. Okay, balance the atoms other than O and H in each of half reaction. So we take a look at Fe there. So Fe, there's no O, so Fe is already balanced. Okay, Fe3 plus. Okay, and then for Cr2O7, you can see there Cr2O7. Okay, 2 minus, produce Cr3 plus. So Cr there, here, have 2. As you can see, Cr2, so means that you have to balance 2 Cr3 plus. Okay, and then we take a look at D. So D, it mentioned for reaction in acidic solution, add H2O to balance O atoms and H plus to balance H atom. So since Fe doesn't have any O and H, so it is as it is. So Fe3 plus. But for Cr2O7, okay, so we must balance Cr2O7 to minus and 2 Cr3 plus. Okay, so right now, as you can see, O7 here. So this at the right side Cr plus has no O. So we add H2O usually at the side that has less number of oxygen. So H2O we add at the right side. So left side here we add H plus. So balance the O first. Okay, so 7O. So this one will be 7. 7O. Okay, 7O. H2. 7H2. So 14 H plus here. So this is okay, for step D. Okay, step E. Okay, step E. Add electrons to one side of each half reaction to balance the charges on the half reaction. So for E, just now Fe2 plus, okay, produce Fe3 plus. Okay, so just now 14H plus. Okay, so this one saya bawakan sikit, 14H plus Cr2O7 2 minus produce 2Cr3 plus 7H2O, right? So right now we want to balance the number of electrons. So how? So take a look at charges here. So plus 2 equal to plus 3. As we know, electron brings electron negative 1. Negative, right? So takkan kita nak tambah dekat belah kiri. Positive 1 tolak 1. So jadi makin kecil. So kita tambah dekat sini lah. Negative 1. So become 2. So it is equal, right? So maknanya means that this one is plus electron. So for the Cr equation, okay, once kita dah dapatkan yang plus E ni, yang first equation sebelah kanan, of course ini sebelah kiri. Tapi nak tahu berapa, kita tengok dulu. Negative 2, okay, 2, okay, times 3 plus 0, H2O is 0, plus 14 kat sini. So 14 minus 2 is 12. So this one 3, 2, 6. So positive 6 and positive 12. So maknanya kita nak kurangkan lagi, dia jadi 6 electron here. So maknanya minus 6. So jadilah positive 6, positive 6. See? So kita dah dapat 6 electron there. So F. Okay, so F. As you can see, F, if necessary, equalize the number of electron into two half reaction. Okay, so Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus electron, 1 electron. So ini 6 electron plus 14H plus Cr2O7 2 minus produce, okay, 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Okay, 7H2O. Sorry, my mistake. H2O. So 6, 1. So nak bagi sama. So this one times 6, right? So that kita dapatlah 6Fe2 plus. Okay. So 6Fe3 plus. Okay, plus 6 electron. And then 6 electron plus 14H plus. Okay, plus Cr2O7 2 2 minus, okay, produce 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. So what happens is that next, once we already make the number electron same, so we cancel out, okay, we add together the two half reaction. So kita tambah and then kita cancelkan. Ini cancel. Right. So this is G. Actually G. So G, kita dah tambah sekali semua 6Fe2 plus, okay, plus, okay, kita ambil yang sebelah sini. So kita ambil yang sebelah reaction saja, 6Fe2 plus. Okay, saya tulis balik. Okay, G 6Fe2 plus. Okay, produce 6Fe3 plus 6 electron. Okay, so this one 6 electron plus 14 H plus. Is it 14? 14 H plus. Right, 40H plus Cr2O7 2 minus produce 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. So cancel. So means that 6Fe2 plus 14H plus Cr2O7 2 minus produce. Okay, so means that ini yang sebelah reactant lah. Okay, ini yang sebelah reactant. Dan this one yang sebelah, okay, yang sebelah product. Okay, so 6Fe3 plus, okay, plus 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Okay, so this is until G. So for H, okay, check and verify the number of atoms and the charges are balanced. So H kita kena check. Means that we check, okay, so negative 2 plus 14 plus 62 12. Okay, so 6 6 3 18 tambah berapa ni? 2Cr3 plus 2Cr3 plus 2 3 plus jadi 2 3 6. 6, right? So 18 6 24. So 14 12 26 tolak 2 24. So when the total charge is the same, so means that this equation is correct. Okay, so that is for G. Okay, H, G and H lah. H lah kat sini. Okay, H. So for I, okay, for I, we want to make it, okay, when you have H plus here, means that this equation is in acidic. So how to make it in basic? Macam mana? So in basic, usually we will add OH minus to the H plus. So how? Okay, so kita tengok sini. 6Fe2 plus, okay, berapa tadi? 14 H plus 2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus produce 6Fe3 plus 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 14H plus. When you have 14H plus, we will add 14OH minus. At this side also, we will add 14OH minus. Okay, so what happened? 14H plus 14OH minus, it become 14H2O. Okay, so maknanya 14H2O, 6Fe2 plus 14H2O plus Cr2O7 2 minus produce 6Fe3 plus 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 14OH minus. So 14H2O and 7H2O. So 14H2O and 7H2O is the same element. So 14 ini akan cancel lah. 14 minus 7. So this one we left 7H2O. So yang 7 ni habis lah. So that final equation dia akan jadi 6Fe2 plus 7H2O, okay, plus Cr2O7 2 minus produce 6Fe3 plus 2Cr3 plus 14OH minus. So this is the answer in basic. How do we know in basic? Because of OH minus